Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make Microsoft Edge your default browser. So before you continue, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel for tech tips every day. So right here, right click on your Windows Start button, and here we are going to look for settings, and in the settings we are going to look for apps, which is right here. It's going to show you the different settings for the apps. Here we are going to look for default apps, and here it will show the different default apps, and we are going to look for the web browser. Here we can see the default web browser is Google Chrome. So here we are going to click on this application to show the different browsers that are installed on your PC. Remember, we are changing to Microsoft Edge. So here we are going to click on Microsoft Edge. So you can see our default web browser is now Microsoft Edge. So in this way we have managed to change our default browser from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge. So if you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel for more tips every day. Thank you for watching.